Hey guys, this is Julie, J Trading Strategies, and I wanted to share with you next week I might have a Ninja Trader tips and tricks video coming out. I sent it over to Jared this morning. Jared, hey Jared, over at Ninja Trader Business Development. And what basically I'm trying to convey is that the Ninja Trader platform includes the Heikin-Ashi indicator as a standard indicator. So I paint my upcolor white and use the Ninja Trader drawing feature, the ray line, F3 will put a ray line on your chart, and you just highlight the highs of the wicks and then the wick body on these reversals. And so when price comes up to a wick area or down to a wick area, it should bounce. The 6B has been very choppy, not moving out of a range, and that's what you want to see. You want to see smooth price action, rejecting out of a range. I put the line on, right click, oops, copy and paste, and then cover the body up. So ready for that retracement. 6B is a very choppy instrument lately. Let me show you on the yen what we're looking at, and you'll see how these previous wick areas, once you have an area, and in this case it rejected and then broke through. So once you break through, you're going to come back and test the downside of that. I need to mark this high. And paste it here to the body. Come back, test it, and then sell off. Come back into the previous box. Reverse, where does it go? Right back to the previous level. Reverse, previous bar, and reverse. And it just keeps going from level to level to level. And you mark your wicks. Oops, wrong line. With your ray. And that way when price reacts to it, oh, my line is crooked. There we go. A little bit. Close is close enough in trading in horseshoes, as I say. So here is what I'm talking about. You get a higher wick, you come back to the area, you test it, wait for the red bar on your Heikin-Ashi to show you that it's now time to get into the trend. You want to trade when you have bottoms or tops on your Heikin-Ashi. You don't want to trade sideways wicks because that's just showing a range and price is just staying in the middle, chopping up and down from the bottom to the top. The only thing you can do once you're in a range is sell the top or buy the bottom until it breaks out and moves price to a new range location. And this is the part of the trade that I'm interested in getting with my template and bloodhound. So I want this part, and that's what I look for. And once I get that condition, then I can drop down to my lower time frame chart. Let me put this on all charts. And then I can have that identified and traded on my Unirinkos. I rushed through something I need to explain. Once you get a pattern developed, you can tell what the price action ranges are approximately and get an average for that range, and that's how you drop down to your smaller Unirinko size bar to set the bar size. against that higher time frame trend. So measure the cycles and then try to get that bar to fit that cycle. So this was 70 cents in the end, so I made my bar 70 ticks. And this is my higher time frame Rinko. So again, I want to have a candle close in my direction before I get in that direction, usually a breakout. And as you see here, then you take this and drop it down to your lower time frame Rinko to trade in and out of it. And that's how you do that on the smaller time frame. So once you know your direction, then hopefully your bar is set up to take that direction, and you can then just simply enter when the bar changes direction in your favor that you want to go to. So very simple 1, 2, 3 trading pattern. Go to your higher time frame, note your support resistance areas. If you're going to trade support resistance, you absolutely want to hit a sell order anywhere like in the top 10 ticks of that bar. So if price gets up to the top 10 ticks of that bar, you should have a limit order sitting there, right, to execute. So a limit short. Or give yourself an alarm so that you can go in and enter a market order at that time, trigger one. Use Blackbird for that one trade, and then very short risk on the other side. It's either going to hold or it's not. I'm going to take advantage of those reversal trades. But normally I like to wait for my tops to print on my Heikin-Ashi, the bar to close in my direction on the higher time frame, because that shows that there's momentum in the market in my direction. So if I can just have the patience to wait for that first higher time frame candle, and here I would have gotten stopped out, but you get the picture. If you're in the trend expanding out of a range, that's what you want. Learn to identify when those breakouts happen on the higher time frame, and then get on your lower time frame chart to trade it. Very simple. If it is only that simple, right? But it really is. You just have to know what you're looking for. And then once you see what you're looking for, you have to be able to execute. Okay. And that's about it for today. Come over to the website and take a look at the videos and the screenshots. Y'all take care. Bye.